Welcome to the charming mountain town of Canmore, where adventure and relaxation await. If you're planning a visit to Banff National Park, Canmore is the perfect place to stay with its stunning natural scenery, cozy mountain vibe, and endless outdoor activities. And what better way to experience the town than with an Airbnb that suits your style and budget? The Airbnb in Canmore will make you feel right at home in the heart of the Rockies. As a super host on both Airbnb and VRBO, we take pride in providing a top-notch experience for all of our guests. Our cozy and well-appointed space is perfect for those looking for a comfortable and convenient home away from home. With all the amenities you need for a relaxing stay, including a fully equipped kitchen, comfortable beds, and a welcoming living area, you'll feel right at home from the moment you arrive. So, book your stay now and get ready for an unforgettable mountain getaway. Welcome to our spacious and inviting 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 928 square feet luxury walkout suite for 6 people. It locates at the beautiful Solara Resort and Spa main building Bow, where the swimming pool and hot tub are. Perfect location to come together. Feature everything you need in a home away from home. The newly renovated 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom suite with 1 king and 1 queen bed plus pull-out queen sofa features a full gourmet kitchen, dining room, electric barbecue, appliances, wine fridge, high-end countertops, flat screen TVs, and 3 gas fireplaces. The dining table can seat 6 people that is perfect for enjoying time together with family and friends. The pull-out queen-size couch in the living area can sleep 2 additional guests. The condo features a fully equipped open-concept kitchen to enjoy home-cooked meals after a day of exploring. The gorgeous kitchen features the stainless steel appliances, wine fridge, and stunning countertops. Come back to relax by one of the cozy electric fireplaces and enjoy a spa-like shower with body jets. The 2 private bedrooms feature 1 spacious and comfortable king-size bed and queen-size bed with 2 electric fireplaces. The 2 bathrooms include a soaker tub and jet massage shower to relax after your mountain adventures and include both polished concrete and granite countertops. Other amenities include in-suite washer and dryer, internet access complimentary, high-speed Wi-Fi, electric barbecue on patio, table and chairs on patio. On-site facilities can be found in the Bow building where our unit is located. 1 wellness and spa includes sauna, steam room, relaxation lounge, fitness center, change rooms, indoor swimming pool and hot tub, kids activity room, free, secure, underground, heated parking. This condo is located close to many walking paths and trails. It is a short walk to downtown and many close-by restaurants and coffee shops. 3 minutes drive to downtown, 2 minutes walk from Policeman Creek Trail, 20 minutes drive to Banff. If you begin your journey in the city of Calgary, take the Trans-Canada Highway 1 heading west out of Calgary. Stay on the highway for approximately 90 kilometers. Take the exit 91 for Highway 1 towards Canmore. Continue on Bow Valley Trail for approximately 1.5 kilometers to Kananaskis Way. Once you reach Solara Resort and Spa, turn right into the underground parking lot and find a spot to park. Don't miss out on the best vacation experience. Make sure to watch our video description for all the details on our amazing Airbnb. From our luxurious amenities to our prime location, we've got everything you need for an unforgettable trip. Plus, booking is easy. Just click on the link in the description to reserve your stay today. Trust us, you won't regret it.